Hey everyone, it's Adele and April from Just Say Scrap with Close to My Heart, and we are here with our 73rd Technique Tuesday.
Oh, excuse me, I have poo on my shirt.
She thinks she's funny. We forgot to take a video in Disney, so we're bringing Disney to you. Stop hitting me with your ears.
I have big fuzzy ones.
This is gonna be a long day, guys. Long day. I couldn't find my Tigger shirt.
Sad
She has
day.
poo on her shirt.
Mm-hmm.
But I have Tigger on my legs!
Okie dokie.
Look at Tigger, he's so cool. Whee. Okay. So today we are going to show you a little bit about cleaning the stamps, and we are going to experiment with boiling the stamps.
That's right.
Like we said last week, we figured we would try out this experiment, see if it works, and we'll let you know. You'll find out with us. So let's get going.
Okie dokie.
We have one of our old stamps here. It's called Under the Sea. We ended up having two of these stamps. So as prep, we have our spritz cleaner, our stamp scrubber, and our archival black ink, which you can tell is a mess. It's so messy. Because we figured the archival black is the most permanent of our inks, so we wanted to use that. And you can see that's our tester sheet. We made everything really, really messy here. But what I did was I actually took all the stamps and I squished them together. And what Mama did is we inked everything up, made it all unsticky, so this is not, you can't see me, there we go. It's like, has no stick to it anymore. And we've done that with a bunch of them. So this one we did the reverse side, we flipped it over, inked it up, did a bunch of stamping. These are cleaned. These are cleaned after they've been inked, and you can see how discolored they are and all that. And then this one we've left completely messy.
Yes, so I'm just gonna spritz this one with our spritz cleaner and use the stamp scrubber to clean it off a little bit. So you could see still some of the remnants of the black ink. It's not coming through, but it stayed on the stamp. What we're gonna do is we are going to
Move over to the faucet.
move over to the faucet. As far as the non-sticky ones, I'm just gonna show you what I do sometimes when I have a really messy stamp. So I will take just some liquid dishwash soap, yeah.
Yes, you were saying that right.
And just soap it up a little bit.
Oh, it's a little whale getting a bubble bath.
Yep. And I'm gonna run it under warm water. That's a little hot.
This is why she's doing it. Her hands are used to the hot water.
Yes.
Mine are not.
And I'm just gonna actually take this. You want to make sure you have your stopper in here so nothing goes down the drain. Because even though it's a little fishy, we wouldn't want to lose it down the drain.
Definitely not.
Okay.
So this is something we have done before.
Mm-hmm.
The other technique that we are going to show you for cleaning the stamps is something we are experimenting
I'm
on.
just going to take that and put that on the paper towel. And then, since you want to keep your blocks nice and clear, I do this every once in a while when my blocks get really grimy from all the stamping I do. We do.
Yeah. This is also something that you can clean out. She'll show you how to clean that too.
Yes. So there's still a little. We use the archival black, so it's a permanent ink. So
You can also spritz clean your blocks too.
oh yes, yes. Well, we basically did that before, but see, this comes out really nice and clear, and I just usually sit it on its edge and let it drip, and we're gonna just.
This is always gross.
Yes. And I'm just going to take a little bit of this.
And your hands will get messy.
Yeah, but they come clean too. Just rub your hands too. And just want to make sure you rinse all that soap out.
You might need another paper towel.
Yes, definitely. I didn't bring enough paper towels. But then what I do is I put the bristles down so that the wet does not go into the plastic where the bristles are.
And what we also usually do with the scrubber is, if you sit here for a while, you see how you can start to get those dots? You'll actually get some of the ink that's still in there to come out onto the paper towel. So every once in a while we'll come by and just move it a little bit.
Mm-hmm. Or if the paper towel gets too wet, we'll just put a dry one underneath it.
Yes.
All right. So
What's next?
What's next, you ask? Okay, this is going to take a few minutes because, look, we have an empty pot.
So let us boil water and we'll be right back.
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to leave our little whale over here just as a sampler, and we are going to take these 3 and these 5 actually, and stick them in the boiling water. Not on the blocks though. You have to take them off the blocks because the blocks are going to be sensitive to the heat. So we're going to stick 1 in there and 2 in there, and we're going to peel these guys off. And I have it, I'm going to put it on low. Whoa! Whoops, that one was not sticky at all. Almost fell off the block. All right, so
How long do we leave them in there?
I'd say I'm going to set the timer for like 2 minutes and see what happens. So we will come back to you in 2 minutes.
And remember, this is an experiment. We are figuring this out ourselves too. We are trying to prove or disprove the rumor that we've heard. So we'll see. We're going to watch them jump around a little bit. Okay, they've been jumping around for 2 minutes.
All right, I'm going to turn off the burner, and I'm going to strain them so they don't fall through. And you're going to want to clean your pot when you're done. But let's see. So as you can see, the color is still on the stamps.
Are they hot?
No. No. Just I'll put some cool water on them. Oh, but they do feel clean.
And hopefully re-sticky.
And hopefully be sticky, yeah.
That one was really not sticky.
Yes.
All right, we will report back. I had to leave some of them, but she did dry the one fish.
This one fish, and it's really sticky again. So let me put it back on the transfer sheet. And look, well, even though the color is still on there, it does feel like new.
Do you want to put the whale back on too?
We are going to put the whale back on.
Not as sticky, right?
Not as sticky, no. So maybe if you have really old stamps that have lost their stickiness, you should boil them. It will not take the color off of them, but it will make them stickier to go on your sheet again. So it'll be more like new.
We'll wait for these to dry. See what happens.
All right, so they've all been put back on the transfer sheets, and they're sticking like they're new again.
Oh yeah, they really are. We are missing him. That's why we have 2 of these stamp sets. But yeah, they're super sticky again. So boiling does work.
Yes.
Does not take the color off, how we've heard.
Right.
But it does make them sticky again. So woohoo!
Yay.
Experiment success.
Yay.
And that's Technique Tuesday. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed. And our experiment was successful.
Yay!
So we have successfully cleaned and re-stickied our stamps. So I'll have to do that with Sticky Boy next because he's not sticky anymore.
No. And even though the color didn't come off of the stamps, it still worked.
Yeah, it really did. So that's a few more ways to clean your stamps. Also, we showed you how to clean your blocks, which is good, and the stamp scrubber. So remember, we don't do it that often. I mean, we try to do it every week or so, cleaning our stamp scrubber, especially because we're inking a lot. And a lot of ink gets on that. But just try to keep your stuff clean. It'll be better for your tools in the long run. So And our weekend, it's coming up in like a month.
Yeah.
That's so exciting. So our block of our rooms actually ends tomorrow. So make sure that if you are coming and you need a room, grab that now because that rate is up for the next month. Or it's not up for the last month.
Right.
So
Yes.
it ends tomorrow. That's a month before our crop. So make sure you grab that room. If you have questions about that, let us know. And we still have some spots too.
Yes,
So
we do.
let us know. We do have a few people coming for days as well. So if you can't make the whole weekend, let us know. And we can always work something out with you. So yay! And thank you to all our new subscribers out there. Thanks for all of our comments on our videos while we were in Disney. We just got back to you. So we like that you guys are liking our techniques and still telling us things to do. So it's fun. Yay! All right. So I keep saying yay when I should be going woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That's me.
I know.
That's Tigger. That's
yeah,
not Pooh.
I know. Pooh goes, oh bother.
Yeah. Oh, bother.
Oh bother.
All right. So we're going to sign off with that. So woo!
Oh bother.
Why do you always look like you're so small? Shut up.
I'm looking at my poo head.
What is up with your bangs?
They don't like that. Who's the lead? They have to clap the tweet for you and me.
M-I-C-K-U-I.
P-O-O-H.
I couldn't find my poo shirt.
No, Tigger.
Darn it! We can't find Tigger.
She's sad.
Tigger's gone.
I hope you have a thing of honey for me.